Our trainers do work with these animals when it comes to animal health care and animal husbandry. As you can see, Will's flying down the ground there. He gives Danielle time to take a nice look at the outside of her body, make sure everything's good to go. A little bit of behind for that angle as well. We can do pretty much anything. We can do it at a doctor's office, we come underneath, looks good. We can take blood samples from animals, we can do urine sampling, we can ultrasound, metabolic trials and studies. We can pretty much do anything you can do at a doctor's office. It's a great way to know exactly how healthy your animals are. There's a lot of trainers like the trainers like Adrian have created with these animals that were able to participate in this very, very important animal husbandry that you see here on a daily basis. At times, patients, and quite honestly, probably a little bit of fish too. There's one of the things that we train these animals in a very meaningful way. And once we're participating in that training process, we can participate in some remarkable research projects. In fact, we have been participating in a few girls projects over the last few decades. And one of them is actually a study on Steller sea lions and how its populations are in Alaska. Because I'll let you in on a bit of a secret, because not a lot of people know about this, but about since the 1980s, approximately 80% of the populations of Steller sea lions off the western coast of Alaska have disappeared. Now, an 80 to 85% decline is about almost 3/4 of the way through this green tent, all the way down to the far side. Try to wipe all these people out of something just use those in the span of about 30 years. That is a dramatic and a very unsolved problem in this animal ecosystem. We're trying to understand why that is. Now, the hypothesis of the aquarium is a nutritional stress. Now, nutritional stress is when an animal is not getting enough energy from the food that it is eating. And it's not to be able to use to do funny things like cool things like that. Need a lot of energy. They need a lot of oily fish. Caitlin, for one thing, Aaron, for another. Two fine examples of fish which will give them all the energy that they need. What we're finding in our studies is that these animals are actually getting a lot of things like pollen, which in human terms is like eating junk food. If we were to compare that to one specific type of food, look at plain popcorn. When you eat popcorn, you're actually using more energy to eat and digest it than you're actually gaining as a nutritional source. So with these animals, when you eat pollen, it's the same thing. To eat and digest it, they're actually using more energy than they're actually gaining. And honestly, I know the human culture and the human condition is to be concerned with the shrimp waistline, but when you're talking about an animal, it's simply not the case. Fat is good. You can see Willow has a robust nature. Very nice. There you go. So with that fat, that's how they stay warm. That's how they survive. It's very, very important that they're getting that energy. Now, how do we know what animals in Alaska are eating? Anyone want to take a guess? I'll give you a hint. We're doing a scatology research with them. Anyone here laughing? Anyone else laughing? Do you know what scatology means? A few yeses, a few like, what are you talking about? Scatology is a science word for poop. What goes in must come out, I guess, is fair to say. By climbing across the rocks, very similar to what we have inside this habitat, with a Ziploc bag and a spoon, we collect sea lion poop, we bring it back to the lab, and we analyze it, and we look at what bones are remaining inside of it. Now, once we know that, it allows us to gain some insight into what these animals are eating. Now, what our hope is to take that data and put it into real-life situations, and we've been able to do that since about 2003 when we opened our open water research facility in the Greater Vancouver area. Now, we're very proud to be able to think we are the first facility in the world to work with trained Steller sea lions in the open ocean. And open water has been open since 2003, and we've been working with our animals there to choose the
Oh.
And it's actually a bunch of good things to do to actually use for propaganda that simple mind like me to understand. But basically it measures their depths, it measures a lot of their metabolics as well as all the stuff that we have, also underwater cameras. We can actually watch the animals as they're foraging for food. Our hope is to be able to take our understanding of how much energy these animals are collecting in the open ocean and how much energy they need to survive from those metabolic trials.